Hello, welcome to this channel. I'm going to talk to you about introduction to Pythagoras theorem and how we derive the formula and how to use the formula. So in this lesson, we must first understand what the theorem is saying. The theorem is an equation that relates to the sides of a right angled triangle in a very unique way. So what this theorem is saying is that whenever you have a right angled triangle, the longest side is always called a hypotenuse. The longest side is called a hypotenuse. It is always a side facing the right angle. So the theorem says that the square on the longest side here is always equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. Meaning, if you put a square on all the three sides and add the area of the square on the side A and the side B together, they will be equal to the area of square on side C. So this is what it says. The square of the longest side is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides of a right angled triangle. So I'm going to just use some animation to really explain to you why it works. So we have a square, and because one side is A, the other side must be A, so that area is A squared. And if this side is B, the area of this being a square must also be B squared. Okay, so I've divided B squared into four identical right angled triangles. So what I'm going to do is to arrange these four right angled triangles and this square to form a bigger square here to prove that it works. So let's see. That's the first one. Second one, the third one, the fourth one, and now I'm going to move this square in there, and that forms C squared. So that is C squared. As you can see, we have the four right angled triangles in the green all together make C squared, and so A squared plus B squared is definitely equals to C squared. So now this is the diagrammatic approach. Pulling the algebraic expression or equation from this, we can just say that C squared, which is the yellow area, is equal to the green area A squared plus the blue area B squared. So the rule is the hypotenuse square must always be equal to the sum of squares of the other one. So which means that if you are looking for the other side, it should be the hypotenuse square minus the other side square. That will give you the one that you are looking for. So it could be stated differently. Addition rule for looking for the longest side, and you state it this way when you are looking for any other side. A squared, this is how you state it. B squared is how you state it. And so we're going to look at examples of using these to look for a missing side of a right angled triangle. So this is just an introduction for you to understand where the formula or the equation of Pythagoras comes from. Thanks for watching. So look forward to application of this equation in finding a missing side of a right angled triangle. Thank you.